Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Last year Boat had launched a bassheads 225 which had a maximum sale in the Amazon and the Flipkart. This year Boat came with the new title bass rods of two new versions of bassheads 230 and bassheads 235. In this video my review is on bassheads 230. Let me show you what are the things do we get inside the box. Inside the box you will be getting a one warranty card. You can claim the warranty if you got any damage with these earphones within 1 year. And here the two extra clips are provided of different sizes. Let me show you the earphones. The earphones looks pretty cool and I bought the silver color. The silver color looks pretty cool. The design also looks pretty cool when it compared with the bassheads 225. And at the end of the earphones an extra protection is provided to avoid the damage of the cutting wire. And here comes the play button on the mic which is made with a good plastic quality. And the splitting is also made with a good steel protection. And here comes a 3.5mm jack which is made with a gold plated, and also at the end extra protection is also provided. The earphones comes with a tangle free wire and you don't need to worry about this thing. Overall the build quality, audio quality, everything is fine and the bass quality is also good. But one thing I don't like in these earphones is they doesn't fit into the ears very well. Even after changing of the ear tips, they doesn't get hold into my ears. They could have been provided some kind of ear wings which they had been provided in the bassheads 225. So this is all my review on board bassheads 230. If you like this video, hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.